2 years ago, I was invited to a concert by a singer named Oren Barzilai. I knew this singer, I knew his story. He was a very famous singer when I was growing up. He was a promising up-and-coming artist. Then he vanished from the public eye until 4 years ago when I heard in the news that during the comeback of his band, he was stricken with a rare syndrome named Guillain-Barré, which in the course of 4 days left him paralyzed from head to toe with no ability to move any part of his body, but in complete consciousness and awareness. Now, Oren eventually managed to pull through, and after a long process of rehabilitation, he regained use of his body. And now, he was putting on a show, telling his life story through songs and monologues. And remarkably, he was putting on this show in the living room of his apartment. So, I went to that apartment, I sat in that living room. I really didn't know what to expect. And then Oren started speaking and singing. And an hour later, I was hooked.
This project, Tomer and I started working a year ago. Tomer came to me with this project and I was very moved. I immediately recognized there's an amazing film here. Together we started this journey of exploring the limits of documentary storytelling, integrating between traditional documentary, more stylized approach and music, and bringing those arts together to a film. During this year, we also established a very unique relationship with Oren, the musician, who is now completely engaged to this film and for making of this film, as well as his friends and family who are also going to take part.